name is Katie Hutchison, and I am a reference librarian here at the Wayne County Public Library. And I am in our staff break room today here at Worcester to make Pesto Chicken Couscous. I'm actually going to eat this for lunch. And this recipe comes to us from one of my favorite books, 250 Best Meals in a Mug by Camilla Salisbury. So this recipe is really easy and quick to make. You don't need a stovetop, just a microwave. So our ingredients for this dish are our mug. We need a half a cup of water. We need couscous, and you can use regular or whole wheat. I have half of a chicken breast that I'm going to cube up. We need 3 tablespoons of basil pesto. For those who like it, I'm going to include a tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese, as well as some salt and pepper. So the first thing we want to do is fill our mug with a half a cup of water, and then we're going to microwave it on high for 1.5 to 2.5 minutes, or until the water is boiling, and then we're going to stir in the couscous. So I'm going to go do that. All right, I'm back with my hot water. The next thing we're going to do is stir in half a cup of our couscous. And if you've never used couscous before, they are actually just teeny tiny little noodle balls, essentially. They come out of the Middle East, I believe. All right, I've added my couscous, and now what I'm going to do is just put this bowl, you could use a plate, over top of it to kind of let it sit. And we're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. So I will see you in 5 minutes. All right, while we were waiting on our couscous to finish cooking inside our mug, I cubed up my chicken breast. And what I'm going to do next is just add, well, first we're going to fluff our couscous. And we're going to add in our chicken. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of pesto, or however much you like, based on your tastes. And then 1 tablespoon of our Parmesan cheese. Now, if you are not a fan of chicken, or you're a vegetarian, you could definitely sub in chickpeas, for example, instead of using chicken. And we're just going to mix together. You might want a slightly bigger mug so it doesn't spill on you like it is for me. And then you might want to heat this up maybe about 30 seconds or up to a minute just to heat it through. My couscous was still really hot, so I don't think I need to do that. And then finally, we're just going to add in just a bit of salt and pepper to taste. All right, well, I have to go eat lunch, so thank you for joining me. Again, this was Pesto Chicken Couscous. Have a wonderful day.